Okay, hello P4. This is Tuesday's tutorial for science. So we've got a brand new topic for science, or not brand new science topic for topic. Whatever, you get what I mean. We've got a brand new science topic. We are looking at something called states of matter. Now, if you haven't seen the introduction tutorial yet, please watch that first. So that's just a little bit of an introduction to what I mean by states of matter. But if you haven't watched it yet, I promise you'll learn a lot more by watching that first and then watching this. We're going to get through this very quickly because we've only got a little bit of science to get through this week. Next week we'll go into a little bit more depth. So states of matter basically is referring to solids, liquids, or gases. So the type of matter that we can see around us. Now the first sheet of your first worksheet you've got for states of matter here for Tuesday. Basically, you've got a bunch of drawings with the names of those drawings underneath. So, for example, here we've got wool, plastic, cotton. You've simply got to indicate in the box provided whether it is a solid, a liquid, or a gas. So S for solid, G for gas, L for liquid. Now, I'm not talking about the container. So, for example, yes, you've got a plastic bottle here. That's talking about the container. However, if I scroll down, we've got another word down here that says steam. So obviously this one's referring to what's coming out of the kettle, not the kettle itself, but what's coming out of the kettle. Likewise, this canister here, which says oxygen, we're not talking about the canister, we're talking about what's inside the canister. So please don't get confused. Don't just look at the picture and simply write the letter down. Think about what the word is saying, what the word is describing. Because there are a lot of, let's say, states of matter that we can't see with our own eyes always. And sometimes we need a container to actually contain that particular state of matter. So it's just a matter of S for solid, G for L for liquid, next to any of these particular objects. Be careful, some are tricky. Think about jelly, that's a tricky one. So don't just have a quick look and think, oh yeah, that's easy. Think about it. Think about its characteristics. And if you get confused about those characteristics, go back to the tutorial video and that might help you a little bit. All right, and the second page of your homework is kind of fun. It's on its side here, as you can see. I'm not going to turn it back around the right way. I'm sure you can read it yourself. It says, explore your room and house. Try and make a list of what items in your house may be solids, liquids, or gases. So you've got a box for solids, a box for liquids, and a box for gases. So have a wander around your house, see what you can find. List as many solids as you can find. I expect at least 5, but see how many you can fit there. There's lots of solids. You're surrounded by solids. That'll be the easy part. Liquids, a little bit trickier, but have a look in your fridge. Look at what's inside the bottles in your fridge, and you might find some different liquids in there. Likewise, gases. Now, gases are, again, hard to see. They're usually pretty invisible, but have a look at spray cans. You might find some in your laundry. You might find some in your bathroom. Maybe some in your kitchen too. So have a quick look in there. When you're going to look at those particular gases, you do not need to spray them around your house, okay? Simply accept what's on the bottle, what's written on the bottle, as the gas that is inside. You do not need to go start spraying fly spray and all sorts of things around your house. I'm sure your parents wouldn't be very impressed with that. So try and make a list for as many of those as you possibly can. And submit that for homework. And that's all you really need to do for science this week. It's just a little bit of an easy exercise to ease into a brand new subject. Okay, thanks very much, everyone, and good luck with it. Again, any questions, Ms. Wu or Mr. Hammonds are on Seesaw. Get back to us. Again, watch the tutorial introduction video. That'll give you an idea of what we're talking about.